Before starting this video, let me tell you, if you have any doubt regarding this problem or any problem, you can ping me on Instagram or even join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section and I will pin it. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the today's GFG weekly coding contest, this problem, which is called high frequency. It states that you have to find the substring in S of length n, which has the maximum number of occurrences, which is basically the character which occurs the most number of time. That is the alphabet which occurs the most number of time in the string S. So the basic idea behind this is you have to have an array ARR of length 26. Okay, and each of the element will be for number of A's, number of B's, number of C's, and dot 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 till number of Z's. And initially all of them would be 0. Okay, so you will be traversing throughout the whole string, and the position that you get, let's say for G, when you traverse to G, let's say over here there is a G. Okay, this thing is pointing to G, so this was 0. So when we find G, this is F. Okay, this is F and this is G. So when we find G, this becomes 1. Then next thing is F, so this becomes 1 now. Then again G, so this becomes 2. Then again G, this becomes 3. And what we have to return is the maximum of all these elements in the array and the position to which it is corresponding. Okay, so this 3 is the maximum and it is corresponding to the position G. So we are going to return G. So the pseudocode, let's go to the pseudocode of this problem. Pseudocode is initializing the array ARR and then running a loop from 0 to n, and ARR of s dot caret I minus a plus plus. That is, we are basically converting this array into this format. Okay, a, b, c, this format, and then once we find something, we are incrementing it. So for I is equals to 0 to 26, that is, now we are traversing through this array. So till 26, if ARR of I is greater than maximum, that is maximum we consider as minus 1. Okay, so if that is greater than maximum, then maximum is equals to ARR of I, which is a very simple thing. Then alphabet equals to I, that is, alphabet is the alphabet which is corresponding to it, but in this case A is represented as 0, B as 1, C as 2, and so on, and Z as 25. Okay, Z or Z as you may call it, as 25. So alphabet is equals to I. Then out of this, then character alp is the alphabet. Now this was the integer and we are going to convert it into alphabet, that is character. Okay, character, that is char int of a plus alphabet. That is, let's say a has a ASCII value, and if we add 0 to it, then the ASCII value that will be returned is a, because plus 1 is, plus 0 is nothing. So if the ASCII value of a is added to 1, then we will return b. Okay, this is a basic concept. If you know it, this is a basic one. So string answer equals to blank. Okay, this is a blank one, and answer plus equals to alp, that is the alphabet, and then we return sum. So this was the code for this. This was a dry run of the code for this thing. In this case, if s equals to a, there is only one character in it, so we are going to return a. So remember one thing, that no matter what, you are not going to return the character, you are going to return the string. So initialize a string answer and then add the character to it and then return it. Okay, if you don't do this, then you will get an error. Okay, if you don't do this, if you do this, then that is perfect, completely perfect. And you can modify one thing. In spite of giving this as ARR, you can write any name like BBB, or just change this name. Okay, just to make this look better, I am giving ARR, you can write any other name. Okay, that's it. Thank you.